So students, this will be our third video regarding the same chapter, chapter 1, quadratic equations and functions from book D3. Okay, so this will be regarding the third way to solve a quadratic equation, which is factorization or multiplication frame method or middle term break method. Okay, so we'll be solving the same equation of exercise 1a, question 1, part A. 2x square plus 5x minus 7. So how to solve this using factorization or multiplication frame method? So first of all, we'll be multiplying the first number and the last of all we'll be multiplying the first number and the last number. Okay, so which gives you 2 times 7 or 2 times negative 7, you can write both the things. Okay, 2 times 7 gives you 14. So now we find out the factors of 14. Okay, so factors of 14 are 1, 2, what else? 4, not 4, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay. So 1, 2, 7 and 14 are the factors of 14. So now we have to use a combination of two numbers out of these factors. Combination of two numbers, what do you mean by that? So combination of two numbers, if multiplied, gives you 14. And if added or subtracted, gives you 5, plus 5. So what can be the two numbers if multiplied gives you 40, and if added or subtracted gives you plus 5. So 1 times 14 can give you 14. But if 14 minus 1 doesn't give you plus 5. So 1 and 14 combination will be rejected. So what about 2 and 7? 2 times 7. 2 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 7 gives you 14. Okay. And what about adding or subtracting 2 or 7? Yes, 7 minus 2 gives you 5. So this combination will be used here. So what will be the combination? Because you need plus 5, so you need to write down plus 7x and minus 2x gives you plus 5x, correct? So this will be our combination, or this will be the method of breaking the middle term. Okay, so next step will be to draw a multiplication frame. Okay, this is how to draw a multiplication frame. So the first step will be So before doing that, you need to find the factors. Find the combination, of this first term. So combination of this first term will be either 2x times x, okay, or x multiplied by 2x, okay. It will give you 2x square. It will be the same. So you need to write when drawing the multiplication frame. You will draw it like this. So first step will be to write the first term in the first box. Second step will be to write the last term in the last box. Okay, so what about these two boxes? So these two boxes will be filled by these two combinations of the middle term. Okay, so first box will be 7x, second box will be negative 2x. Okay, so how to decide these two terms, or these two how to decide where how to decide if 2x comes here or x comes here, or 2x comes here or x comes here. Okay, how to decide that? If you are putting 2x here, okay, it can give you 2 as well, and it can give you negative 2 as well. What about if you are putting 2x here? It cannot give you 7x, so you have to put 2x here and So x times 2x gives you 2x square. Okay. X multiplied by what gives you 7x? X multiplied by 7 gives you 7x. And 2x multiplied by what gives you minus 2x? 2x multiplied by negative 1 gives you minus 2x. Okay, so the last step will be to write this equation 2x square plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. Okay, equals 0. Don't write it equals 0 because you have drawn the multiplication frame. So the first value, first bracket will be 2x plus 7. Okay, so this is how you will be factorizing. The second bracket will be x minus 1. Okay, so these two brackets using the multiplication frame. Okay, so you have this here now. So these two, because this equation was factorized into this using the multiplication frame, now equals 0. So the first thing will be the first bracket equals 0 or in between, and the second bracket equals 0. Okay, so the first value will be minus 7 over 2, which will give you the final answer as minus 3 whole 1 over 2. Okay, and the second value will be x minus 1 equals 0, which will give you x equals plus 1. Okay, so this will be it. This will be the third method, or the third way to solve a quadratic equation, factorization multiplication frame method. Thank you.